Welcome to Rosin Evolution. Today we are joined by Hashi Hannah
Hi.
and Dr. Darth.
Hey, what's up?
Today's class is going to be on folding a Rosin Evolution piece of parchment paper in order to squish it with directional flow directly out the front of your 4x7 inch low temp plate. Let's put our pieces of paper in front of us with the fold at the bottom.
Hold it block.
Now we're going to take the top flap and flip it down and fold it perfectly even so that it is flush with the bottom of the fold, and then fold it directly creased down the center. I like to call it a hungry face. I'm here to eat all your raws. We're gonna need a pair of scissors. Thanks, Ross and Evo.
Well, that's convenient.
On the fold that was facing us, we're gonna make a little 1/2 inch slit on both sides. Where we made that slit, we're gonna fold it over once and then fold it over one more time to lock it in. Now we're gonna turn the paper around and do the same to the other side.
I see what you did there.
And sealed.
So now what we have is a perfect little Turk cape. It'll slide right in, and all the directional flow will come out the front and down the paper. So none is gonna come out the sides or the back. This is a directional flow using Rosin Evolution parchment paper.
This is some great paper.
And you can find all of these products on the website at rosinevolution.com. Everything you need, one place.
Thanks, Rosin Evolution.
All right, now we're ready to press. How easy was that? Rosin Evo wishes he could get me here or first folding these all day so I could mail them out to all of you.